Afternoon guys, Sunday DX time again, and we are on the British Mountain just for a change. As always, lousy day. Check this wind out. No flying for me today, but I'll show you the setup we're using. We got the Sirio 145 at the moment. The Audio Line 340 today. We're locking down a couple. Check the SWR. Well, I'll show you actually the SWR. Needle doesn't move. Haha. So we're happy today. Happy. Power wise. Yep. Running about 9 watts. Special radio this one. Right, let's get back to the net. Get the Sirio 5000 on the roof.
This is 26 Charlie Tango 141, high ground near Beacon Bat on the Mendip Somerset. Anybody out there who want to come in?
Yes, Sid, 009 will in about 3 minutes, Sid.
Okay, Mark, where are you? Near me or up on the British or somewhere?
No, I'm on a British, Sid, on a British, but I've just plugged my antenna in. I gotta check the old SWR, and I'll be with you.
You give me a whacking great signal, Mark. You're off to scour up there. Okay, pop back in when you're set up there, Mark. That's Mark, Charlie Tango 009 up on the British Mountain there, Kim. Anybody else out there want to come in?
Right, quickly check the SWR on this one. I haven't checked it for a while. Yeah, the thing doesn't move. Excellent. Check power. Yep. Oh, we got about just under 10 watts there. Alright, right. Right, let's get on with the net.
Yeah, and the aerial's down low as well, Sid. So
I'll have a short power lead on you. It won't fit on a dash.
You're getting plenty of good copies down there. We've only just turned up because we've been to the homesteaders meeting for a few hours. And
Oh, it's a bit of a nuisance by here, guys.
yeah, the personal is Kilo India Mike.
I can't get everything set up properly here.
Yeah, it's kids out there want to come in.
Right, this is a nightmare, this radio set up by here. This is actually my portable,
Okay, anyone on copy instead 141?
proper portable setup, which I'm trying, because we're going to get back out
Right down this way there, Kim.
CTX
Yeah, it's a bit quiet this
pretty shortly, so
cut the stations in Oxfordshire. But,
just making sure everything's working. I've got the T2LT with me today to try. I've got it all.
But yeah, it's been a bit quiet today, Sydney. Very, very quiet start, mate. Not a lot on. I think I had 2 on in the first half hour. There's someone there, Kim, in the back of the box. Could hear him, but was there someone trying there, Kim, your way? Yeah, the QS cut. You want to bring it back
Time for my pasty.
Right, we've got 26 whiskey free there, Sid. He's just about making you, mate, but not enough for a queue, so. Yeah, can't hear it. We're on the Mendivilles this week. Yeah, 26 whiskey 3. Yeah, Sid's on the Mendips today. Where was your location again, sorry? And did you say hello to Mike for me?
I think the
Yeah, but
very quiet net this afternoon, guys. Mind the weather is absolutely useless, so I'll tell you what else happens. If Sid isn't home by 2 o'clock, it tends to be quiet. You think he's not out, but he's been to the meeting today that I forgot all about. I was supposed to be going to. Not too happy about that, missing it again. I always miss them, but yeah. I've had my grub.
Come on in, 009. What are you doing, Mark?
Well, I was changing my antenna, then I thought I'd better eat my pasty.
Have you heated it up?
No, just eat the cold, man. Cheese and onion, Roger.
Hey, I've got an oven I can use. I can bring it out. I've got a portable oven, Mark. That'd be handy up in the British, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be, but I don't like my pasties warm, like I said. I gotta eat them cold, I have. That's odd, isn't it? Yeah, unless they from a chippy, it gotta be hot then. Yeah, I thought that meeting was next week. I got it now.
Yeah, who is eating, Mark?
Yeah, good afternoon, Kev. I'll copy all this setup this afternoon.
Yeah, hello, Mark, mate. Yeah, you're a little bit low on signal, mate. You're about signal 2, but perfectly readable.
Signal 2? Flippin' egg. Oh, well, that's alright. Long as you can hear me, that's the main. It's running an old audio line 340 this afternoon there. I've dug out my proper portable kit, so I'm just trying it there.
Yeah, Roger, still working, mate. You're coming through to me, perfectly audible. But, yeah, I wish I had a pasty here at the moment, mate. 10, 12, 14.
It was just...
16 of us, including yourself, Sid.
Oh, there's been 16 on, so...
Not too bad. Yeah, actually, of course, the Papa Delta's one on this afternoon.
We, probably close it down because there's like 3 of us on at the minute. There are the odd ones calling in, but no, actually a net as such.
There wasn't really much. I don't know much on the old side band. You ever listen on the side band?
I think the weather's killed it.
Okay, Mark, do you want to give a call up there, mate? Been a quiet old day. You won't be able to do no video this week, Mark.
No, it won't be much of a video, what I said. Right, okay. CQ34, any stations out there want to come in for Sid Sunday afternoon net? There are some of us out here. Everybody's welcome. We got a special offer today, special offer on rig checks. We're giving out signal reports, modulation reports, all free. All you got to do is call in. Everybody's welcome. Said dead as a dodo, Rog.
Yeah, I thought it would be. I'm watching these clouds move. They're moving pretty quick.
Right, let's flick my imaginary burner on. Okay, CQ34. Any stations out there want to come in for the Sunday afternoon small net? Plenty of time for a big long QSO. Everybody's welcome. Free rig check. Anybody want a free rig check? No charge today. Special offer. Come on, don't be shy. Give it a try. QRZ. Oh, I don't know, Sid. No one want to play today.
They're mobile with the radios on. Any of you guys out there mobile going up the M5? Come back.
Way up.
Mr. Gareth there. Hope you ain't out in all this horrible weather.
Up on boys, doors blown open and it's jam shut now. SWR's in double figures.
I love it when it's high there. You sort of scratch your head and go through all your patch leads and in the end just throw it out the bleeding window. Where's that for you, Gareth?
It's a brand new President Colorado antenna. Just stuck it on and yeah, breaking the SWR bank.
On today, is there? That might be why there's no one out.
Japan beat Scotland quite comprehensively, and Wales beat Uruguay.
I actually remembered my scanner today as well.
Yeah, Roger, will do, Sid. Yeah, CQ the frequency.
So we got this going.
Any stations out there want to come in on channel 34 Sitsnet? You got Charlie Tango 2680 in company with others. We are listening.
We've got some airports and stuff tuned into here. So we'll be having a listen on there. See if Get any planes or anything? Right, we'll do that in a bit. Still haven't tidied the car, look.
You're about 3 and 3, radio 3, signal 3 to the West Berkshire Downs.
We are going to be doing some RC videos shortly, guys.
Yeah, radio 3, signal 3 to the West
I say no
Berkshire
drone
Downs.
flights though. Really windy.
Come in. Yeah, I'll copy Matthew Watson. Matthew, yes mate, you're booming through.
Go brake station.
I'll put another CQ out, CQ the frequency. Any stations out there want to come in on channel 34, Sidnet. You got Charlie Tango 2680 in company with others. We are listening. The break out there somewhere, Tim, I'll take it. The break, QRZ 26 Charlie Tango 141. High ground on the Mendip Hills near the Beacon Batch. Yeah, good afternoon, Sid. It's 163 Charlie Tango 16 personal Jason there. Good afternoon, Jason. Whereabouts are you? Yeah, I'm on Pencloyd.
Well, I don't know where I feel Jeremy. I got him on a 9 now. How about it there, Jason? I'll go it, mate.
Good afternoon there, Mark. Long time no speak to, be it Facebook or the radio. Got you on a 5-9, no problem at all. I'm in Pencloyd, I am. 1-1. Okay, take it then, 1-1. Jason, how about you, sir? You got Charlie Tango 011, square-wheeled, Berkshire in Newbury. Okay, you taking that one, Jason? We got one in Berkshire near Newbury calling there, Jason. Negative, I don't know if they can hear me there, Sid. There's a bit of a noise on the bands, a bit of snap, crackle and pop, as I said, but there's no iron on the British Mountains, South Wales. Anything on there, all there? Mark on the Berkshire Downs near Newbury?
Yes, good afternoon there, Mel. 011, I believe. I got you 5 and 9 to the British Mountain. I'll copy there, mate. You've got Mark this way.
How you doing, Mark? Yeah, no problems at all here, fella. 5 to 7, plus 9 when allowed. Radio 5, nice and clear. It's lovely to hear you, sir. I don't believe I've spoken to you for a few years now, but always watching your channel and seeing what's going on, Roger. 254, sound the blowing.
We've
Good afternoon, Mel.
got the Bowfang scanning too.
7, mate.
Yeah, you're making it here. No issues at all, mate. 5 to 7 plus 9 radio 5, Roger.
Oh, right. It's nearly 4 o'clock.
But yeah, CQ the frequency. Any stations out there want to come in?
We have had quite a few call in, dribs and drabs. So there's no like
We are listening.
too many on to go through and pass around, you know. Oh, this weather's abysmal up here.
My way, Sydney. Yeah, I've heard about them, Gareth. How do you get on with them dogs you got, them huskies, are they, Gareth? Them white ones? Do you still got to connect them up to a car, or when the old snow comes, you do?
But I've still got the Antron in here, guys. I want to show you what else I brought for today.
We've got another station calling in as well.
RG213. But this weather's just too shocking to put it up. See, I've got my radio bag as well.
Roger, Costa bus, I believe that was, down at Membry, is that Roger? Bristol, Western Super there, round the Cornish coast, along the south coast, and up the Yorkshire coast. Roger, mate, well, enjoy your...
Alright, guys, yeah, I missed the end of the net. I had a visitor there. My mate stopped. Just giving you a example of how windy it is. So yeah, whoops, there we go. Right, net's over, guys. I'm gonna go and take this little lot down here, down the bottom end, get some videos done of that. So and not a bad net. I mean, it's quiet. We did have over 20 people, but they call in dribs and drabs, so there's like not 20 stations on in one go to pass around, but that's how it goes some weeks. Yeah, don't forget that, guys. There's gonna be videos every week still, with the RC stuff in between. As like I said, it's a lot easier. Nip out for an hour, go and do an RC vid, than come up here and do a radio vid. But they are still coming, so don't despair. Right, thanks for watching. Thanks to all who called in. If any stations out there tried and we couldn't hear, we do apologise. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. 7 3's all.